Boys, I found a joystick in the presidential office, but I don't know what it does.
That's weird. I don't know what that could be.
Is there anything written on it?
Yeah, there's a word, but I think it's French. I don't know what it means.
What does it say?
It says nuki.
Does anyone know what that means?
I got no idea, bro. I don't speak baguette.
Should I play with it and see what happens?
Wait, Joe, it might control something important. Wait, let me ask Mbappe what nuke means.
Joe, that's my nuke joystick.
Trump, why the hell would you have a nuke joystick? Or nuke's a freaking game to you?
It doesn't matter right now. Joe, don't touch it.
It's mine now, Trump. Sharing is caring. I want to play with your toys.
It's not a toy, Joe. It's a nuke button.
I told you I don't know what nuki is. I just said I don't speak French.
Joe, it's not French. It's English. It's a nuke. The big kaboom.
Oh my God, is that the new Kaboom ice cream flavor that came out?
No, Joe.
I'm gonna use it. Oh, there's a map. I'm gonna aim the ice cream to be delivered directly to the White House.
Joe, please wait. I'm coming.
Oh my God, it's super fast delivery. It says time until impact 1 second.
No, Joe, you're gonna kill us.
I'm pressing it.
No.
My ice cream came.